guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Kyian, and you are currently watching Kyian by Design. And before we get started, I want to say a huge thank you to you guys because since posting my last video, we reached 400 subscribers. This feels absolutely awesome. I love how quickly you guys are growing, so thank you so much to every one of you guys. I know that nowadays with social media, 400 might not seem like a big number, but the way I see it, every digit in that number is a person. So if you're watching this and you're subscribed, thank you for being one of those people because it really means a lot. And if you're not among the 400 people who are already subscribed, you should hit that subscribe button down below and be sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss when I post a video. But today I'm bringing you guys a different type of video. This channel has been very DIY heavy since I first started. Aside from DIY and home content, this channel is also supposed to be lifestyle content. And a big part of my lifestyle is my fashion sense. So it is fall time right now, and fall is honestly my favorite season both for decor and for fashion. You can do a lot of layering, the colors are really nice, and I love a warm sweater. So today I decided that in honor of it being fall time, I'm going to do a fall 2020 lookbook. And all of these looks are either affordable, secondhand, thrifted, etc., because in every aspect of my life, I am all about looking good without breaking the bank. So I've compiled a few of my favorite fall outfits that I will be wearing this year. Doing a little bit of modeling. So let's get into this lookbook. So I'm going to be starting actually with what I'm wearing today. So I'm currently wearing this cream colored turtleneck sweater with some warm muted earth tones. I was given this sweater secondhand by my old roommate who was getting rid of it, and it's actually a Gymboree children's sweater. I'm very small in stature and build, and because of that, the larger size of children's clothes tend to fit me perfectly. This sweater in particular I pair with my brown chinos that I got from Target, really keeping that earth tone vibe going throughout the entire outfit. I also tie in the earth tones with these black and brown Perry Ellis shoes that I wear, and these are going to be making a lot of appearances in this video because they're very versatile as far as fall outfits go. As far as accessorizing this outfit, I tend to go very minimal. I'll wear my plain white gauges like you see right here, and my Apple Watch, which has a brown leather band. This leather band I actually got from the 99-cent store, and for a 99-cent store watch band, it's actually really nice. Now this is something that I would probably wear to work or like a nice outing when we're able to do that again. And I think it's just really simple, but I also like to think that the colored stripes on the shirt are a nod towards my LGBT roots. You guys may or may not know that I identify as gay and non-binary. I realize that's actually the first time I'm saying that I'm non-binary on video. My queer identity is an important part of my personality, and I like to make sure it's represented. Now, speaking of turtlenecks, this next outfit is another favorite of mine. It is this slate gray turtleneck sweater. I think it is so chic. I really like the way it fits my body. I feel really good in this sweater. The gold button detailing along the shoulder leading up to the neck is a really nice touch. It gives me like fashionable Steve Jobs vibes. And this sweater I will usually pair with my black chinos, also from Target, and again featuring my black and brown Perry Ellis shoes. For accessories, I will also wear this with my Apple Watch with the same brown band. I change out my gauges for these black and gold ones to really add to that luxe feel. All these touches of gold match my glasses, which is perfect. Optionally, to add to the fall vibes, I may throw in this wide brimmed hat. This was actually a steal because I got this from the Target dollar spot about a year ago, and it was the last one there. It makes me feel very witchy, and it's a pretty versatile piece when it comes to these fall outfits, so you will also be seeing this hat a lot in this video. Now this is another outfit that I might wear to work or just on a nice fall night out. Now outfit number 3 is a little bit more edgy, but definitely still fall, and it is this olive green and leather sweater. I purchased this sweater on Wish and it fits me absolutely perfectly. It has this leather detail across the chest with a zipper, and I think it just looks so cool and unique. And I think that this olive toned color looks really good on my skin as well. I don't want to distract too much from the sweater itself, so I usually just pair this with my plain black jeans, some black and white sneakers, and my plain white gauges. It looks really cool as it is, but if I really want to step it up, I will then again throw in that big round brim hat to just edge it up a bit. This is an outfit that I would probably wear to like a pumpkin patch, you know, going on a hayride, picking pumpkins, drinking apple cider. I wish I could be doing that this year. It would be so fun. One day we'll get to do these things again, and I'm looking forward to it so much. Now this next outfit I feel like is very fashion forward and on a budget, and the feature piece of this outfit are these plaid pants. I got these plaid pants at Buffalo Exchange a while back. They fit me so nicely and are definitely like those nice neutral tones that you see in fall fashion. And if that wasn't interesting enough, they have this scallop detailing along all of the pockets, which is really unique. I don't really know how I feel about those scalloped edges. I might end up hemming them down and making them all straight. great, but these pants are just so adorable. I love how I feel in them. This was one of those finds that's like, I have to take this home with me. Like, it fits me like it was made for me. And for this outfit, I like to pair it with just a plain white polo. I cuff up the polo sleeves to really add some more interest to the outfit. Cuffing up the sleeves in my shirts also makes my arms look bigger, which as a smaller person is very important when it comes to my fashion. I like to make myself look bigger than I am. And this is another outfit that I will keep pretty simple with my usual Apple Watch and my plain white gauges. And that's an outfit that I like to wear to work a lot. I get so many compliments on those pants when I wear them. And you guys are gonna hear me say this a lot in this video, but I do keep a lot of versatile pieces in my wardrobe. I don't feel the need to own a lot of clothing. I just feel the need to own clothing that I can use in a lot of different ways. One of those pieces is my black denim jacket that I got from Target. This is part of Target's original use line, and I actually got this jacket on clearance and it fits me so well. Now I can pair this with a nice fall colored sweater underneath it. Right now I'm trying it on with this mustard yellow shirt that I got in my last thrift haul. Also pairing it with my black wide brim hat, my white gauges, my black jeans, and again my Perry Ellis black and brown shoes making another appearance. I think an outfit like this is really fun because it gives me a chance to like play with color, but also show off a little bit more of like an edgier, darker side of my fashion. This is something I might wear out to a bar or a club. Definitely spooky, but all around fun vibes. This next one is a thrift find that I absolutely love. I wear it anytime I get the opportunity. It is this gray t-shirt with a black cowl neck and button detail. I saw this at the thrift store and immediately fell in love with it, and when it was actually my size, I was just over the moon. And I like pieces of clothing with interesting and unique details. It's sort of got that dark edge about it. This is an outfit I will also wear with my black jeans. Again, not to distract too much from the intricate shirt itself. Those same brown and black Perry Ellis shoes. And I actually like to switch out my plugs for these faux gemstone ones that I got on Wish. I have never seen gauges like this before, so I bought these as soon as I saw them on Wish, and they were really inexpensive. I get so many compliments when I wear them because they're just so unique looking, but I also feel like they add a witchy edge too. I'm gonna be saying that a lot. It's spooky season, what can I say? Now additionally, if I am wearing this on a colder fall day, I may wear my black denim jacket over it and opened up. That way you still get that peak of the cowl neck. And of course, in keeping with the witchy theme, I may also pair this outfit with my black wide brim hat. The whole combination looks really cool no matter how you decide to pair it. Whether without the jacket, whether without the hat, etc, etc. Very Halloween-y, very seasonally appropriate. And guys, I have saved the best for last in this video. This fall look is my absolute favorite outfit that I own. The first component of this outfit is this Zara man sweater that I thrifted from Buffalo Exchange. It is just so interesting looking. It's got this fleecy type sweater on the front, but the sleeves are quilted, almost like an armor type quality. It's got like elbow padding. Now I tried this on at Buffalo Exchange and it fit me like a glove. And it was on the more expensive side of clothing that I tend to like to thrift, but I honestly thought, when am I gonna find something like this again? This is such an amazing sweater and I look good in it, I feel good in it. And for this outfit, I like to pair it with my black jeans to keep that like edgy look to it, and these black chunky heels that I thrifted. I don't wear heels often, but when I do, I wear them for a purpose, and I think that this outfit is definitely a reason for it. Now another option I like to go for pants-wise, if I'm really feeling extra with this outfit, are these biker style skinny jeans. They have this ruffle detail along the thighs, they really fit my legs nicely, and this outfit absolutely would not be complete without those faux gemstone gauges, and again, making another appearance, that big wide brim hat. This outfit makes me feel so amazing. This is definitely one that I would wear to a club, going out with friends dancing, but really wanting to like show up and show out. Gives me very non-binary vibes. And for that reason, it is my favorite fall outfit in this video. Well guys, that completes my fall lookbook for 2020. Let me know which outfit or piece that I featured today in this video was your favorite down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more lookbooks in the future, give this video a thumbs up to let me know that that's something you'd like to see. And we are on our way to hitting 500 subscribers, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that notification bell. And be sure to keep up with me on all of my social media. I will put the links down in the description. But that about does it for today. This has been Kyian by Design, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!